Hello, welcome to yet another episode of the Unnamed Podcast with me Akash aka Evil Monkey। और इस पॉडकास्ट में मैं बात करता हूँ उन लोगों से who have broken the norms and who are doing something really extraordinary और साथ ही साथ वो सोसाइटी के लिए भी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ें कर रहे हैं। आज की जो मेरी गेस्ट है शी इज़ अ रेयर कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ ब्यूटी विद ब्रेन्स। शी इज़ अ commentator, she is a TV show host, she is an MNC, she is a voiceover artist एंड ऑफ कोर्स उनकी अगर मैं अचीवमेंट्स और एक्कलेट्स की बात करूँ तो बहुत लंबे हैं। अगर मैं बोलना शुरू करूँगा तो ये सिर्फ इंट्रोडक्शन ही 5 से 6 मिनट का हो जाएगा। सो आई डोंट वांट टू गेट इनटू दैट। व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, आई एम गोइंग टू इंट्रोड्यूस यू टू साक्षी मानवाल एंड वी आर गोइंग टू हैव अ वेरी कूल कॉन्वर्सेशन विद हर। सो लेट्स गो। Hey Sakshi, how are you?
Hi Akash, I'm doing good. How about you?
I am doing perfectly okay यार। So तुम मुझे ये बताओ यार, how is life treating you under lockdown? Because as I know you, तुम मतलब घर पे बहुत कम बैठती हो। I know that. So like how is it possible that you are sitting at home right now?
Well, I guess Akash, none of us have a choice. I think the only choice we have right now is to make the conscious choice of staying back at home, and
हाँ
that is most needed. And जैसा तुमने बोला कि I'm not the kind of a person who can sit idle or sit back at home, which is very true. But then I think we have a lot of things and a lot of ways to keep ourselves busy and occupied, and
हाँ
at the same time, I believe mentally also happy, which is very important once you are in a situation jahan par you tend to get housebound or house locked and you cannot step out. So I guess I've finally been able to figure out the balance between that along the course of this lockdown over the course of the last few weeks, that is 7 weeks that we are looking at. So yeah.
So, अच्छा तो मतलब like how are you striking that balance, like doing everything? Because like how is it possible कि मतलब like everybody is able to strike a balance, like the people I have spoken to सब ऐसे लग रहे हैं कि सब अपने zen zone में चले गए हैं कि like everybody is able to find their balance out of all of a sudden, like ऐसा लग रहा था people were chaotic, everybody was like यार हमारे बस की नहीं हो रहा और एकदम से सब zen zone में चले गए हैं। How is it possible? So what are
नहीं,
you doing basically?
no, I don't think it's just about कि एकदम से कोई balance में आ गया, because I still know that I have difficult days at times with my own self. I think the initial phase of the lockdown honestly was difficult for me, even though I am a very mentally strong person. But still, I think the best of us can also have our low points at times in life. And the first 2 weeks was kind of that, if you'll understand. I mean, we're all used to be in a very work mode life में रहने की हमें आदत है, and suddenly when you kind of come face to face with a situation where you don't have to be working in life, working by that I mean basically stepping out of the house to do the things that you actually like doing or love doing in life, but rather you're forced to stay back at home and do things that never constituted a part of your everyday life, like doing house chores, and then kind of being clueless about days and dates, and suddenly being left in a space where each one of us is questioning what the future holds for us. All of
Right.
that can take a toll, and I think most importantly the fact that personally for me, I don't even have a single face to see in the house, so that can get tough, and that did become really tough for me in the initial phase of the lockdown. But eventually I guess I did find a balance, because I decided that, see, I just told myself one fine day that I need to pull myself up. There is going to be no one around here who will be able to push me to get myself back in shape and order, because
हाँ
nobody can come down to me, ना कोई आ नहीं सकता है. So I
हाँ
am my best friend and my worst enemy in that case scenario. So that's what I
हम्म
did. I just pulled myself up, motivated myself that I need to get my life and myself in order, and the best way for me to do that is to get back to the workspace again.
हाँ
And I
हाँ
knew that I can't step out of the house to work, koi baat nahi, I'll bring the work to my house. And since I started working out of home,
हाँ
I think that's helped get my day in a routine and in a discipline, which I think is very important personally for me, and I
हाँ
think should be important for everybody. You would also be able to associate with that thought ki when once you have a day or a disciplined day, or you have a layout for your day or a plan for the
एग्जैक्टली
day, it becomes easier. You can get up on a specific time, do the house chores, get ready, because you need to be starting to getting, or rather you need to start working out of home.
हम्म
And then of course I also meditate and do yoga in the evening for at least one and a
ओह
half hours, 2 hours. So I think
ओके
that's been a big help. Basically, getting the day in order. has been the biggest help to help me get back to figuring out the balance. Varna, I
Right.
was initially having difficulty in the first 2 weeks, as I said.
So like I think yeah, most of the people do find it difficult to find that balance and like to distribute their day because most of their days like सबको commute करना होता है इधर उधर जाना होता है if you are doing a field work तो आपको पता है कि आपको जाना है तो हाँ मतलब that is one thing that is really difficult for people to come to terms with but हाँ I think they're doing it and doing it से मुझे याद आया
Mm-hmm.
कि I wanted to ask you कि what new things have you learned इस lockdown में because most of the people have learned something even I have learned a lot of things
Yeah,
as far as
true.
cooking goes so like
Correct.
what new things have you learned
What new things have I learned? One that, of course, I like it is all there in our minds. That is the first thing I have come to learn in life. I
हाँ
mean, given the fact that I've been living all by myself in the last 7 weeks and I've not had a single soul or a face to see in the house,
हम्म
and I've just come to one realization that it is all actually there in our mind, and the strength comes from there, and also the
exactly
weakness starts from there. And if we can somehow take a control over our mind and our thoughts, there is
हम्म
nothing better than that. So that is the biggest learning that has come for me as an individual. If I were to speak for myself, that I
हम्म
have been to a huge extent, I've been able to control my thoughts and my
हाँ
mind and pull
हम्म
myself back up from a space where I was initially having difficulty adjusting with this newfound life
हम्म
to actually accepting the reality, because I came to an understanding that for any kind of improvisation or change or balance to come internally, I need to accept the situation, what
exactly
exists as it exists. And that's what I did. So somehow I've just understood that it's everything is there in the mind. That, and I think
हम्म
meditation has helped me in a big way for that. Agar sach bolo, I think that is something I'll recommend to everyone who's listening us, that meditation does help you get more centered in life. It helps
हाँ
you feel more useful, and I would say more oriented as an
Yeah,
individual. So,
because I remember because like the first interview that I did with my friend, she is a clinical psychologist, and she said there is something called mindfulness, and you need to
yes,
practice that. So
yes,
what is, I think if you're doing meditation,
hmm,
you are aware of that what mindfulness is. So like you breathe in and you breathe out, like
correct,
for a couple of times, like 6 or 7, and by the seventh or the eighth breath, you start feeling the breath going in inside and you try
correct,
to connect with it so like yeah that's an
true.
important thing for people to meditate I think not just in these times like when you are isolating I think in the morning also like when you are up and you have to go to the office regular stuff I think we should all do that so that we can focus more on our work and that helps perfectly isn't it
True, of course, true, because it tends to relax you and it makes you more focused and oriented, as I said. And of course, the
huh.
breathing exercises are actually how you start off when you sit down for meditating, because you need to focus at a specific point in infinity out there. But to
Huh.
control your thoughts and your mind from not letting any thoughts come in, and to just focus on a specific dot in infinity, if you can do that even for 15 minutes, that's an achievement without thinking or
बिल्कुल
letting any thoughts seep in. I think breathing definitely helps. A basic breathing exercises that you start up with definitely helps.
हाँ
As you said, the deep breathing exercises, they help because they eventually calm you down and they help you to get
करेक्ट
into that mold. And I don't think just for meditation, I mean yoga ke liye bhi that I do. Basic
हाँ
warm ups ke andar breathing exercises are always the first thing that one has to do, because it just helps your body and your mind to automatically relax from a mode of
बिल्कुल
एंजाइटी एंड chaos ना, तुम एकदम से अपने आप को बहुत रिलैक्स्ड फील करोगे. एंड दैट इज व्हाट
हाँ
इज नीडेड इफ यू नीड टू काम योरसेल्फ डाउन.
द अननेम्ड पॉडकास्ट अब स्पॉटिफाई गूगल पॉडकास्ट और एप्पल पॉडकास्ट पर अवेलेबल है और साथ ही साथ द अननेम्ड पॉडकास्ट के सभी एपिसोड अब इवल मंकी व्लॉग्स यूट्यूब चैनल पर भी अवेलेबल हैं सो इन केस अगर आपको कुछ पीछे के कंटेंट सुनने हैं या फिर आप आगे के कंटेंट यूट्यूब पर सुनना चाहते हैं सो गो टू Evil Monkey Vlogs on YouTube and subscribe to the channel. And of course, let's get on with the show. And talking about calming yourself down, अब तो सब कुछ calm ही हो गया. Like when we talk about in the terms of work also, and like you are a freelance anchor in an MNC, so
Yeah.
like freelancers का तो like काम ही ये होता है कि they're not working on a proper job kind of a thing,
Hmm.
and they're always looking for opportunities.
Hmm.
So like how hard it is for you to find work right now? Like there are no events happening and there are no shoots happening. तो मतलब how hard it is for you to find work अभी?
See, to say that it has been easy would actually not be right, because it's
हाँ
definitely not been easy for anybody, I guess. Not just for freelancers, but even regular life job ke log bhi hai. So everybody
हाँ
used to working in a workspace environment, and suddenly when you have to work out of home also, that can also be challenging. So everybody
बिल्कुल.
has been kind of been put in a situation where each one of us has our own set of challenges. So specifically,
हम्म
अगर हम freelancers की बात करें, जैसे अगर if I were to speak for myself, well, so I've
हम्म
never been a kind of a person who tends to look at negativities in life or all that's going wrong, which is why I
हम्म.
always try to figure out the positivities even in the worst situations. I'll always
That is
try
why
to look out for.
WhatsApp says eternal optimistic, isn't it?
Someone's been stalking my WhatsApp, is that?
Arey Baba, it's on your status. What is wrong
Yeah,
with you?
I
I'm not
get it.
stalking it.
As much as that makes me happy, I'm glad you paid that attention to the little and the minutest of details. Yes, that's truly me. I am
हाँ
an incorrigible optimist in life. And as I said, see, the first 2 weeks were tough, but then I decided that no, pull myself up together, get back to work. And I bought work
हाँ
home. So if we are able to push ourselves out of our comfort zones and constantly
हाँ.
self motivate ourselves, राहें हमेशा खुल जाती हैं. ट्रस्ट मी आकाश, ऐसा कभी नहीं होता है कि
बिल्कुल.
किसी भी प्रॉब्लम का कोई सोल्यूशन ना हो. सोल्यूशन हमेशा होगा अगर हम अंदर से वो चाह निकाल ले अपने अंदर कि हमें खुद को पुश करना है, मोटिवेट करना है, नेगेटिविटीज को ना देखकर उनको एक्सेप्ट करके सोल्यूशन अगर
हाँ
ढूंढने की कोशिश करेंगे, देन सोल्यूशन मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. हो सकता है 9 बार में ना मिले, लेकिन 10वीं बार में तो मिलेगा मिलेगा ना. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई डू.
हाँ
सो ऑप्शंस निकल आते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है. एंड एज आई टोल्ड यू,
हाँ
I am sitting back at home and now interviewing professionals, people that I know, and I've
हाँ.
started doing that. So, of course, it keeps me busy. So, there'll always be options. And see, I'm also on a podcast with you today. As dear a friend
Yeah,
as you are, we're doing this together, and it makes my heart happy that yes, we're doing this.
exactly.
So,
Yeah,
solutions are
that's
always there.
why. Yeah, it's my type of keeping myself into sane things.
True. See, so
Not
so
get,
I think we both are very similar in that approach or in that thought process. That's what we should tell our
exactly
viewers also. कि जिंदगी में कितनी भी दिक्कतें क्यों ना आए, हमेशा, as they say, there's always light at the end of the tunnel. That's just
of the
not a
tunnel.
saying. That is a
Exactly,
fact. If we can push and
exactly.
motivate ourselves to go beyond our comfort zones, बहुत राहें खुलेंगी जो हमें भी नहीं पता होंगी कि खुल सकती थी in the first place. So it's all
बिल्कुल
about
बिल्कुल.
adapting, changing, and evolving and
हाँ.
accepting the
And
situation as it is. Most
I
importantly,
think when we talk about adapting and changing, तुमने तो बहुत ज़्यादा adapt किया और बहुत ज़्यादा change किया because as far as we had our conversations, so initially you were doing something else and then you thought that I want to get into anchoring and all,
yes.
and so I just want to know what were your parents' reactions because मतलब पेरेंट्स को ये होता है ना कि यार स्पेशली द फील्ड दैट यू हैव चोजन लाइक गेटिंग इनटू एमएनसीइंग एंड डूइंग एंकरिंग फॉर टेलीविजन एंड live events and all. So parents को थोड़ा होता है कि यार मतलब what kind of a culture it is, we don't know, and the girl might be going alone और मतलब रात को लेट आ रही है तो मतलब एक थोड़ा सा concern तो होता ही है. So like and like you don't have anybody else in this industry, like तुम्हारा कोई जानने वाला भी नहीं है.
Hmm.
So like what was their initial reaction when you said कि भाई I want to change my profession, I want to get into this thing?
Initial reaction, if I think I could sum it up in two words.
हाँ.
One was accepting it, having the faith in
Okay.
my decision. So acceptance came from their front very easily. I never had to
Good.
convince them. And second was, I would say, concern. Concern definitely was there. So that
Of course वो
protective,
तो होता ही है.
yes, both
हाँ.
things. But I've grown up in a family where my parents and the environment that I've been exposed to has been very liberal and very accepting. Even though I come from a background of doctors or rather scientists, should I say, my father is a doctor and a scientist. I never
Okay.
kind of faced a situation in life where he told me that I was supposed to be a doctor or be an engineer. He just let me be. My parents have always let me be the person I am and the person I wish to become or evolve into. They've only told me one
हाँ.
thing: fall in life because that is how you will grow. But we will always have your back. Remember that. So they've never stopped me
Correct.
from falling or failing in life. And that's how I've learned.
Hmm.
So when it came to coming into media, I was very sorted. I cannot function in
Mm-hmm.
gray spaces as an individual. So I've
Okay.
always known what I want to do in life. And
Mm-hmm.
that I think is 50% of the job done. I think अगर पता होता है कि
Correct.
करना क्या चाहते हो, because once you have the conviction internally that you
Hmm.
know what you want out of yourself and out of your life, it just becomes very easy for the people who care for you to believe in your dreams because they know that
Correct.
you know your mind, which is most important. So that way, I
Correct.
think that has been the biggest asset for me. That because I've always known what I want to do, doesn't mean that I've
Hmm.
always succeeded in doing it. I've had my share of failures and learnings, but I've never taken the
Right.
failures as something that kind of pushed me a step back. Rather, the failures only
Hmm.
came to me as a learning, and I took it in my stride to look forward only. And that's why I kept
Right.
adapting and changing, which is why the decision to do freelance, because very early on when I started in my career, that wasn't the initial plan. I wanted to be in a
Okay.
job scenario and
Huh.
everything. But then 6, 8 months
Huh.
down the line, I realized that maybe a job scenario is not best fitted for a person like me because I have a
Hmm.
lot of skills and I would want to
Hmm.
grow via my skills because that is where my heart and passion lies. And nothing better if
बिल्कुल.
I'm able to, live my passion, use my skills which give me the most happiness to kind of earn a living
Exactly.
out of it. So it's like I don't need to, like, whenever I go to work, I don't say that I have a day of work in my life. It's a day of living
Hmm.
and loving the work that I do. And I enjoy my
Correct.
work. That's my breathing zone. That's the area that keeps me most happy.
ये बोलते हैं ना कि यार हाँ मतलब you should enjoy, you should love what you're doing, but most of the people like after 2 months they कहते हैं ah it sucks.
Huh, I think इसलिए because this kind of a road is never going to be easy. In fact, no road is ever easy. But if you
Exactly.
have the faith and belief in your own self and the willingness to struggle it
हाँ.
out, then you will be
Exactly.
able to finally find your way. Nothing just happens overnight, yaar. Everybody goes through
बिल्कुल.
their share of struggle. It's not just for freelancers or people who are specifically professionals in a specific genre of line, say like actors or theater artists or painters
हाँ.
or
हाँ.
musicians. Each one of
Exactly.
us goes through their share of struggles. But it's very important to
बिल्कुल.
continue having the faith in yourself, I think. Faith and conviction
बिल
to dream bigger and just push yourself. Keep pushing. That's important.
And like if anybody who's listening to our show who is like aspiring to come into this field, so what is your suggestion that they should like do to enhance their skills?
I think most important is to start having the faith and self confidence in
हाँ.
your own dreams and your skills. Because
Right.
जब तक आपका इंटरनल सिस्टम आप अपने इंटरनल सिस्टम को स्ट्रांग नहीं रखोगे तो बाहर से दुनिया आपको बहुत जल्दी क्रश कर सकती है बिकॉज
हाँ.
नो बडी आउट देयर इज गोइंग टू बी प्रेजिंग you will bump into a million people who will try to pull you down, who will be upfront critical about you, and you
हाँ.
will go through failures. But अगर आप internally strong नहीं हैं, and if
हाँ.
you don't have the faith system and also the conviction and
हाँ.
self belief in your
हाँ.
dreams, in your
हाँ.
ideas, in your
हाँ.
skills,
हाँ.
then it is very easy for anybody to crack down. So, hence, I'll
हाँ.
say the first and most important thing is to have the belief in your own dreams, in your own skills.
Right.
Let no one out
हाँ.
there have the power to shatter them for you. Never give that power to anyone. As long as you believe in them, राहें अपने आप खुलती. So that is something which one has to stick with from day one till the end of this journey, to continue to believe in their dreams, in their selves, and in their skills. That is one thing that people often
Correct.
lose track of. So I think वो बहुत जरूरी है कि वो चीज
हाँ.
हमेशा बनी रहे कि किसी इंसान को आप वो हक ना दे कि आपके ड्रीम्स को स्टूपिड या गलत कहे या आपके कॉन्फिडेंस को
Correct.
तोड़े. वो पावर नहीं होना चाहिए. तो वो अंदर बना रहना बहुत जरूरी है. द रेस्ट आई थिंक ऑफ कोर्स this is a practical
हाँ.
line. You learn as you get into this line. That's the best
हाँ.
form of learning. So, just a few things that would come really handy would be good communication skills. That's very
हाँ.
important, both written
Correct.
and conversational skills. And at the same
बिल्कुल.
time, also being very present, having a quick or rather a sharp presence of mind. That's very important. The ability
Correct.
to think out of the box. ये चीजें
हाँ.
बहुत जरूरी है दैट आप इस लाइन के अंदर रख सके. ऑल्सो सम गुड ऑब्जर्वेशनल स्किल्स. एंड one very important thing that people lack and should have in this line is to be able to hear people and listen to them.
Correct. Correct.
Speak less, hear more. That will
Correct.
make you not just learn but also grow.
Thank you very much, Sakshi, for being on the Unnamed podcast. It was lovely having you.
Thanks, Akash. It's always a pleasure talking to you. And of course, I just hope that I get to meet you in person, man. Hopefully soon, once this lockdown gets over. And then we can,
Absolutely.
I guess, then we can have another podcast or another show the next time where we meet
Exactly.
as to how did it feel to meet a human face after almost, I don't know, I've lost track of days now, but X
I
number
know,
of
man.
days. So, yeah.
Exactly. Exactly. Yeah.
Anyways, man, you take care and stay safe. And to all our viewers, also, I guess, please stay safe and stay healthy, stay home. Follow all the instructions
Yeah.
and rules that the government has laid down, which is very important, not just for your own safety,
Correct.
but for the safety of your loved ones also.
Well, that was an interesting conversation with Sakshi. I hope कि आपको ये एपिसोड ऑफ द अननेम्ड पॉडकास्ट अच्छा लगा हो, और अगर आपको ये पॉडकास्ट पसंद है सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू द पॉडकास्ट ऑन एप्पल, गूगल या फिर स्पॉटिफाई पर। साथ ही साथ ये पॉडकास्ट मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल ईवल मंकी व्लॉग्स पर भी अवेलेबल है, तो अगर आप वहां पर इस पॉडकास्ट को सुन रहे हैं सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल एंड hit the bell icon to get notifications. And I will see you in the next episode of the Unnamed podcast. Till then, live life human size.